it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. Today's video is my monthly IPSY unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call this video. I feel like I haven't done an IPSY video in like forever, but it was literally not that long ago that I filmed one of these, and as you can tell by the title, this is my December IPSY video, and as you also know, that was the month that my world completely fell apart. I hope you can understand as to why this video is late, but I still really love filming these videos for you gals, and so I wanted to be sure to upload this, and so there'll be a couple other videos that I'm kind of catching up on, but I did want to film this for you because I love these videos, and IPSY is a fan favorite over here on FunsizedStyle. I also wanted to point out my necklace. I know I'm going to get some questions about it. I was gifted this beautiful necklace. It's a small shop on Instagram that reached out to me, and well, actually didn't even reach out to me. She made this for me before, just posted it and tagged me, and then I saw it and she said that she sent this to my P.O Box. It is just so incredibly special. So this is a picture of me and my soul sister Pip, and what she didn't know, she created this necklace, is that this picture was always me and Pip's favorite picture together that we ever took. So that is just so incredibly special. So this is the necklace that you'll see me wear all the time now. It is so incredibly special and I absolutely love it. So I'll have her shop linked down below as well. I'll also have a link to IPSY, to subscribe to IPSY down below too. I am a member of IPSY Open Studios, so I receive these bags for free every month and to review for you guys, and that is just incredible to me because if you've been around my channel for a really long time, I have been subscribed to IPSY for 6 years, way longer than that, 7 years, a really long time. I don't know. I've been subscribed to IPSY for a long time, so I never thought that like one day I would be receiving these bags for free to review on my channel, and it's just super incredible. And I know that I say that in every one of these videos, but it really is just a full circle moment for me, and it's because of all of you that support my work here on social media that I get these amazing opportunities. I just wanted to say thank you, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So this month's theme is Time to Shine. This is the December IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So if you are new to IPSY is, the Glam Bag subscription is $13 per month, and then the Glam Bag Plus subscription is $28 per month. And in the IPSY Glam Bag subscription, I believe you are guaranteed to now receive at least $50 worth of product, which is really great. So here is what the Glam Bag looks like for the month of December. When I went to go peek inside here to see what I received, the zipper, I guess it went off track. I've tried to fix it a couple times, but it's just not happening. So I don't know if it's fixable or not. I'll have to work on it some more. I love this color pink though, and this is super glittery. Normally I would be like, no, not glitter. I like that it's not like, looks like it's glitter, but there's no like glitter on the outside of the bag, so it's not messy or gets everywhere, anything like that. And I love the shade of pink. Most importantly, let's go ahead and get inside, see what's inside the contents of my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of December. This was a product that stuck out to me when I first received it, and then I realized what kind of product it was, and I got really disappointed. This is by the brand Dragon Beauty Dragon Wing Liquid Eyeliner, and as you know, we don't use liquid eyeliner or any eyeliner of the sort. I will go ahead and show what it looks like. This is in the shade Blackout. So this is a new brand to me. I don't know if it's a newer brand in general, but it's new to me, so I definitely want to look more into this brand. I really love the packaging. It's very sleek and simplistic. Here's what it looks like. Your average like felt tip. It looks felt tip. Liquid liner. I really like the tip on it. I don't know, it just seems a little bit different than typical liquid liner. I really love the packaging of this product. I know that's kind of weird to talk about since it really doesn't matter, but I like it. It's very, again, sleek, and I just don't use liquid liner, so I'll be passing this along to someone who will use it more than I would. I also can't remember if I mentioned, but this is a full-size product. The next product that we have here is from another brand that I recognize. I believe this is also another full-size product. I think it's full size. It's by the brand Orza Beauty, and it's their Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow Quad. And I have a few of their products from IPSY actually, and I really like their shadows. They seem really pigmented, although I heard mixed reviews about this palette as far as like pigmentation and quality goes. I really do love the shades. It's perfect for this time of year, so I'll go ahead and swatch these for you gals. Okay, I definitely see what people mean about the pigmentation of this palette, especially this last shade right here. I was really disappointed at the pigmentation of it, especially for how deep it is. Here's what the swatches look like. This is without primer or anything, but I did have to build a couple of these up, so I definitely see what people mean about the pigment, but again, I'll just have to work with it some more. But seeing as how other people were chatting about this product, I'm again not surprised. Also, did want to point out that there are 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades, so I really like the mix of those 2 kind of shadows in this palette. This next product is a deluxe size, travel size product of Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is Sea Kissed. I really haven't tried a lot of their products either, but this time of year is great to receive a hand cream for those dry winter months. This is a really great product to receive in my glam bag this month. I've been receiving a lot of this brand in my glam bags lately, and this is by Seraphine Botanicals, and this is the Cranberry and Dew Dewy Lip Remedy. So a smaller brand that I really love was introduced to me by IPSY. I have a ton of their products because of IPSY. Ooh, wow, this is really, I don't know why I'm smelling it, but it's kind of like jelly-like. I don't know, like, you probably should put it on over a lipstick, but I actually really like the color that it's giving off. I don't love that it's the kind of product that you have to stick your fingers in, because I don't like touching my lips unnecessarily. So that would be my only complaint, I guess, with this product, but it's cruelty free and vegan, which is great. We love the color. I'm just gonna like swatch it. I don't know, so you guys can see kind of how glossy it is. It's really pretty. You can kind of see on my lips. It's very glossy. It's really pretty. This last product I'm so excited about. Probably more excited than I need to be honest. And what I mean by that is it's a mascara, but I've heard so many great things about this mascara. I receive so much makeup from like PR, my monthly subscription. Pretty much never need to buy mascara. Like I can't, other than my mascara primer, I can't remember the last time I purchased a mascara, which is a huge blessing, don't get me wrong. But then sometimes there is that one that's like being super raved about and I want to try it. Anyways, my point to this is the Tarte Cosmetics Surfer Curl Mascara, and I've heard so many great things about this mascara. As you can tell and as you guys know, I hardly have I have lashes, but they're just really thin and stubby, as I call them. I describe them as being stubby lashes, and so I'm always on the hunt for the best mascara, and I've heard so many incredible things about this, and I can't wait to try it. This is only travel size, but that will be good for me, because like I said, I do have so many mascaras, but this was a huge win for me and something I was so excited to receive in my glam bag for the month of December. So that's everything that I received in my glam bag for the month of December 2021. The only 2 products that I wasn't super excited about is this hand cream and the liquid eyeliner, but other than that, I really do love all the other products in my IPSY glam bag this month. Moving on to my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. This is what the Glam Bag design, or Glam Bag Plus design looks like. I really love this shade of pink. It's my favorite. Got some pretty gold stars on here, and I just really like it. A little bit of information about Glam Bag Plus, if you're new, is that it is $28 per month, and you're guaranteed to receive over $100 worth of product. I believe that's the amount. $100 worth of product in every Glam Bag Plus, all full-size products, and no travel deluxe size, all full-size products. Let's go ahead and get into this month's Glam Bag Plus. I will say, it seems to me like Glam Bag Plus seems to be more geared towards skincare, and then the Glam Bag, like regular Glam Bag, seems to be geared more towards makeup. I don't know if that's on purpose. I don't know if that's just me. That's just an observation that I've made over the past few months now of receiving Glam Bag Plus. But either way, they're both great levels of subscription. So the first thing I want to share is this brush duo by Belle and Argent. I don't know, I think it's French for something, so I'm probably totally saying that name wrong, but I will put it on the screen here. I received a lot of their products from IPSY before, so I'm very familiar with their products. We have a brush duo here, and these are some great brushes. They seem like these may be the highest quality brushes that I now own. If you guys could just feel these right now, like so buttery and like soft. And these bristles, like they're high quality, like they're not falling out, they're not going anywhere. I just keep like petting them because they're the most high quality brushes that I own. Like I didn't even know these existed. So I'm curious as to see how much this duo retails for, just because I can't get over the quality of these brushes. Like they are absolutely incredible. So that's really, really exciting. These brushes would be perfect for blush and bronzer. You can probably tell I'm not excited about this next product. We have a duo here from a brand called The Cream Shop, and they're two limited edition sheet face masks. And if you've been around for a while, you know that I'm not a fan of sheet masks. I just don't take the time to do these. But I also do, I can't remember if I mentioned this in the intro, but I do link all the products individually as well. So if there's a particular product that I feature in one of these videos that were my glam bag, I link it individually in case you want to purchase it. They are affiliate links most of the time, so it does help me out if you use my link. So I don't know if I'll be able to find these anymore since they're limited edition. It's not Christmas time anymore, but the first one here is Baby Gold Outside, and it's 24 karat gold and collagen. This mask is meant to be firming and moisturizing. And then we have Tis the Season to Be Lovely, and this is the collagen and guanine. I'm probably saying that wrong. Youth promoting, collagen boosting, and hydrating. I'm probably going to get some questions, especially to those who are familiar with my disability, osteogenesis imperfecta, and whenever I feature any product with collagen, people are like, oh, like, is your skin like affected by OI because of the collagen? And no, not really. Like, I do have like sensitive skin, but it's not really an OI thing. I think these masks will not help my OI in any way. Like, it goes much deeper than that. We're talking like collagen on like a cellular level here. Yeah, just being transparent about that. These masks will not help my OI. This next product I was really excited about until I saw what kind of product it is. This is by the brand LMS, and it's the Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. I've heard so many great things about LMS, so I was really excited when I saw that I received one of their products in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. However, I don't really take the time to use eye creams. I probably should. I really probably should, but here's what the product looks like. Maybe this next month I'll receive like a different kind of product from LMS. I think it's a skincare brand that I should definitely look more into again, just because of been hearing so much about it lately. This next product I've never heard of. I feel like I've heard of this brand, but not really. I don't know. I don't hear of a lot of gals actually using it. I don't know, but this is by Rodial. I don't know. This is the Glass Primer. Primer for a flawless glow. I can already tell by the packaging that this is a very expensive brand. What's so incredible about the Glam Bag Plus subscription is I know that $28 per month seems like a lot for a subscription service, but I would not believe the value of the Glam Bag Plus. Like, I think it was back in August, I received a $150 skincare serum. Like, I would never be able to afford a $150 skincare serum, like, nor would I ever spend $150. Well, I shouldn't say I would never, because one day if I make it well financially and I buy a $150 skincare serum, one of you would send me this video and say, you said you would never spend that money, and then now you have all this money and you bought a serum. So I'm never gonna say never, but I most likely would not spend $150 on a skincare serum. So yeah, the value of the Glam Bag Plus is like incredible. So here's what the packaging, or the product looks like. It just doesn't seem like there's a lot of product in here, and like the packaging is like really squishy, and I don't know if I'd pay a high price point with this product. Like, it's nice to receive in a glam bag, like, don't get me wrong, but I just don't know if I would pay full price for this because the value just doesn't seem like it's there for me. But who knows, if I love it, I will let you guys know. I actually have a ton of new makeup that I've been trying out lately, and some new favorites. I want to do a video testing new makeup, so hopefully that will be coming soon. But yeah, the value of this Glam Bag Plus is really incredible. The last product in my Glam Bag Plus for December 2021 is by Kate Somerville, and I was really excited to receive a Kate Somerville product in my Glam Bag Plus. I think I've only ever tried one other product from Kate Somerville. It was really good, and like I said, I wouldn't be able to afford her products otherwise, like go outright and buy it. I mean, I could, but just not a lot of them, if that makes sense. It's fun to try different ones. This is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. There's something just about having like fancy high-end makeup is nice. There's something about high-end skincare that is just like a whole nother level. And I have a couple new skincare products as well that I've been loving. What this product looks like. It says product contains alpha hydroxy acid AHA that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure when using this product and for a week afterward. That makes me nervous because I already have incredibly sensitive skin, so I just have this like vision of me even going outside, even though we're in the knee deep of winter, me going outside and then the cold hitting my face after using this product and then something happening. I don't know. I don't know. It makes me nervous now. Really excited about this product, but now I'm kind of scared. So we'll update on what I decide to do about that. If any of you have sensitive skin and have used this product, please let me know your experience in the comments. Okay, that is everything in my Glam Bag Plus for the month of December 2021. I really liked my Glam Bag Plus this month, but I think IPSY Glam Bag takes the win again this month, just as far as amount of products that I'm excited about. But value-wise, of course, Glam Bag Plus always takes it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this month's IPSY Glam Bag. Two really amazing subscription levels. Based on my experience, it seems like Glam Bag is more makeup based, and then the Glam Bag Plus is more skincare based. That's just my experience, just kind of giving you that inside scoop. If you're deciding on what level of subscription to subscribe with IPSY, or you can do both, or they also have Glam Bag X or something. All kinds of levels. I'll have all the information down in the description box below. Again, transparency, I did receive these bags to review for you, so huge thank you to IPSY for sending these my way to review for my audience. It's my favorite time of the month. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.